Happy holidays. This is V and you're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a project share of my weekly projects that I have been making using the scrapdivadesigns.com dies. I have a few dies that I'd like to share with you. Here I have all of the information for scrapdivadesigns.com. Head on over to see what you can find. All the links will be listed in the description below. I also have a discount code for you. That's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. So the first die I'd like to share with you is the Heart Globe Shaker. It comes with 6 pieces, and this is what I created with it. I am using the Paige Evans Sugar Plum Wishes paper collections by American Crafts. I'm also using some gold circle embellishments from Buttons Galore and More. All the links will be listed below. Here I have a charm to my left. I also included a charm holder there. So it's just a loop of paper that I glued on. That does not come with the die. I included that on my own. What I like about this particular die is that it can be used for Valentine's as well, actually year round, because us crafters love to use hearts year round. So here is the die here, and again 6 pieces. I'd also like to go over the heart plate there. So that piece there you can use for shaker mix. So you can cut out all of those miniature hearts, make a shaker mix with it, and use it in this project. I didn't use it in this particular project. However, this would be amazing for Valentine's. Again, Valentine's is coming up, as well as Christmas in July. So do not forget that. We love to celebrate Christmas in July here, and it would be perfect for that. So on to the next die. This die is called Star Closure Clip Tags. It comes with 4 pieces. As you can see here, you can get a large all the way down to a small piece, and actually a micro piece. Here I paired it with some hand crochet and also some felt. So as you can see there, it's hollyberry. The hollyberry leaves are made with the Scrap Diva Designs die. I will have that one linked below. I love to mix and match, especially I look for the dies that are smaller. I just love using those in projects to bring out the detail in your newer projects. I just love it, you guys. And again, if I say that it's something that's just going to be a staple, that's exactly what you'll see me doing. It will be used again and you'll see it again. So those are my hollyberries. I just love the hollyberries on the tags. Perfect for Christmas. Again, just a few more days. So if you need something really quick, that would be the ideal. As well as it's a star tag, so you can use it all year round. It's not just for Christmas. So again, birthdays are coming up as well. So lots of birthdays next year, and you can utilize that. So the next thing here is the next die. Tag set 2, 7 pieces. And I just want you to think outside of the box. So these are a tag set, of course, a tab. I keep saying tag. Tab set. And of course you can use these for journals and mini albums. That would be great, right? And traveler's notebooks as well. December dailies as well, but I'm using it here. You can use it as a detail in all of your projects as well. So I want you to think outside of the box, and here it is. I'm using the smaller version. There's a little tab on the side of these miniature boxes that I made, and those were made by hand, so I didn't use an SVG. I just kind of eyeballed it, and they're so easy to make. So yeah, just like they're kind of like those pillow boxes. So I forget the name. However, the focal point here is the tags. And so yeah, the tabs, you can use those tabs and just think outside the box. And that's what I did there. So the next tag, goodness, the next die is the Winter Hat MemoryDex. This one is an 8-piece set. I didn't count all of the hearts there, so if you'd like to count them all, then you kind of get more pieces, but I included that whole cluster of hearts as one. So here you are. What I did not use is the snowflake. I didn't use the hearts as well. However, again, winter hat, you can definitely use those hearts. The hearts are all year round. This is my project here. Again, I'm using the Paige Evans Sugar Plum Wishes paper collections by American Crafts. And here it is. I made it into a mini album. The word tag there doesn't move up and down, but I'm showing you that it's able to do so. So if you want to create something like this, you can make that functioning. And so I just didn't glue it down, but I wanted to share that with you. I wish I would have done that. So, I mean, I think it looks really good because, it is interactive. So let's get into the mini album here. So I'm using some hearts, and all I did is I cut out some hearts and I punched out a hole on the upper left-hand corner and included a brad. And it is a button brad. Those are for Michael's, and I picked them up last year for Christmas, so I'm not sure if they're still available. And so you can include quite a bit of pictures here. So I believe there's about let's see here, I think there's possibly 5 pictures you can include. However, I love the tabs on the side. You could add tabs, and I did stitch on some stickers to those. I also included some of the stickers from the paper pack as well. And then on the front there, I included some ephemera. And I included 3 clusters of charms on the right hand side. So I love how this one turned out. I am using some embroidery thread there as well as some crochet. The top of the hat is crochet, so it's just a crochet braid, and then I added a brad to the top. I also included a snowflake on the very back of the pocket, and just showing you here how it all looks. I also added some embroidery on the sentiment. I also included the paper clip that comes in the collection as well. And another feature that I loved are the layered circle punch outs. I just love how that looks as well. And also included the French knots. I learned how to do French knots from Paige Evans. She has an amazing tutorial on French knots as well as embroidery. So I will have that video linked below. And this concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed my projects that I made. And check out the links linked in the description below. And I will see you very soon in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the description below, and I will do my best to answer them as quick as possible. You can also find me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Ko-fi. I will see you in the next video.